All right, just to also remind you that we're doing the area, but we're not saving it. Okay, so in order to undo this or remove this area or do anything else, you actually have to close this box over here to remove the area, and we're not going to save this, so we can just close it over here. We just close, okay, and then close, and then close. All right. So if you look at our tutorial list, task number 5 has an open at the bottom, opening at the bottom. So we're going to go and open task number 5. Okay, open. And then task number 5 is 2002, I believe. No, that's wrong. Let's close this. Open 203. There you go. And I'm gonna unhide this over here. There's my sketch. Now if I click sketch and click fill, it won't fill it for me because it's not fully enclosed. So what we're going to do is we're going to cancel that, and then we are going to edit the sketch first. So you can click here, and then you're going to edit definition to edit the sketch, and then we're going to draw a temporary line here. So we're going to do line and then connect this endpoint to this endpoint. Okay, and we're going to click OK. And now that it is closed, we can now go back to our default orientation, select the sketch, and then click fill, and it should fill it for us because now it's enclosed in the bottom. So you're doing only this one temporarily. And we're going to go to analysis and then measure, find the area, click the fill, it'll give us the area, and we're going to do the shift middle click and then drag it to the left and select this and drag that to the left too, and then take a screenshot of this one. So click new on your snipping tool and then take a screenshot and make sure that your name shows here, and then you're going to do a file save as and then type the name. I'm going to select one of these over here and then change the last number here because it's 203. All right, and then make sure it's JPEG, and then we're going to click save, and there you go. All right, so you need to enclose the bottom first because this is an open area. So we're going to close this and close this. And the next task that has an opening on it is this one here. So for task number 8, we have to do a temporary line around it. So we're going to open 200, what's that again? Oh, 206. Open 206. And then again for 206, it has an opening. We're going to edit definition, and we can't just simply close this. This one is a center line, so it's not a line, so it's not going to be considered to be an entity we can close. So to do this, we're going to zoom in here at the bottom, and we're going to get our line, and we're going to do a line down here, and we're going to stop, okay, and we're going to put a dimension on that line, and we want that to be 30. There you go. So we did a temporary 30 line over here. And we're going to continue our line. We're going to select from that endpoint of 30. And then we're going to go to the right until it automatically snaps to this endpoint over here. See this endpoint? So it will automatically snap there. Okay, but you need to do it horizontally. Okay, so we're going to do horizontal and it should automatically snap there. Okay, to the end, not to the center, but to the end. There you go. Click here and then simply go up on the vertical and simply click there. Now it's fully enclosed. We can now click OK. And then we're going to go back to our default orientation. We're going to select the sketch and then we're going to fill. There it fills. It fills the outside portion, not the inside. Okay. So you're going to do this to figure out the area and match the area with my area. So analysis and then measure area. Select the outside space and then the area outside. Okay, with a 30 drop. Okay, 30 millimeter drop will be 1703.2.1. Okay, you're going to pan again to the left and you're going to drag this also to the left, and you're going to now again create a new snip and snip. Okay, and then do a file save as, and then select one and then change that last number. It's supposed to be 206. and then press save. Okay, and you won't need this again. Click close, and then you can close that there because you already have that file over there. So you're gonna do that for task 8. The rest are enclosed. Okay, and the next video I'm gonna show you is how do you do task 7, because we did this in two separate sketches. This one is done a little bit differently. Okay, so I'll do that in the next video.